that, you know, this water company says we can't produce water. The gangs were miraculously parked in front of this gas place where there's no gas in the country. This crisis that has put Haiti on the brink is a staged effort to bring intervention. Because intervention means that there will be no system change. Intervention means that people will not be able to fight for the justice, for the just, transparent government that they want, that everybody else has. Everybody, what is it about Haiti that they do not want us to be like a Jamaica, to be like a Bahamas? What? And so we have to understand, again, I'm going to end, but that when we say we don't want intervention, it doesn't mean that we don't want peace and security. History, past 20 years, has shown us that intervention